On this screen, if you had put the MLS ID, it should automatically fill in this form for you, or these forms for you. If not, go ahead and put it in there. So I'm just going to give you examples. 123 Main Street. There's a unit number. Go ahead and put that in there. You'll put in your sales price. So this is the contract price that everybody had agreed upon. This is not the list price or anything else. This is the contract price. So we're going to say it was 150,000. If there is no MLS ID, leave this blank. So again, if we're selling a for sale by owner or an off-market property, you can leave that blank. We also need to know the year built. If it's vacant land, just leave this as 0. So that way we understand what it is. We're going to say it's 2002. The annual taxes. Here, you can actually go into Realist and pull up the information, and it will show you what the previous year's taxes were. Use the most recent year. So for example, if we're in 2019, but the tax roll hasn't come out yet, we're going to base this on 2018's tax records. And then for property type, our options are residential, commercial, condo, or vacant land. If it's a home that's anything other than a condo, it's residential. And then it asks a few questions. If we had selected residential here, is there an HOA or community association? Yes or no. Is there a CDD? Are we asking the seller to pay any of the buyer's closing costs? If we say yes or no. Is the buyer using FHA or VA financing? And is the property a short sale? The reason it's asking these questions is because it's determining which forms we need to have for compliance to be able to have this deal properly done. So just answer those 5 questions, and then you're ready to move on to the next screen.